How to make Blockman Go account. Hi guys, it's Mekran from GamersTech. Today I am going to guide you how to make Blockman Go account. Making Blockman Go account is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Download and open Blockman Go. If you don't already have this game installed, download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Launch after the installation. Tap on sign up or register. On the main screen, you will see option to log in or create a new account. Choose sign up or register. Choose your sign up process from the email, Google or Facebook. Fill in your details. Enter the required information which may include username. Choose a unique name for your account. Password. Create a secure password. Email or phone number optional. Some version may ask for email verification. Set your profile. You might be prompted to choose an avatar to set up your character. Confirm registration. Tap sign up or create account to finalize the process. Start playing. Once registered, you will be logged into your new account. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can make Blockman Go account. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.